Okay, we've parked up over to the Magic Kingdom. It is about 6 o'clock. Is that clock right? I don't think that clock's right. But Danielle?
That's 6:25.
Does that say 6:25? Is that what time it is?
I think so.
Okay. Well, Danielle's doing her Welcome to the Magic Kingdom dance. 6:26. Oh, wow, that is accurate.
To get into the
Okay. Well, Danielle, why are we here at the Magic Kingdom?
We have a fireworks dessert party tonight.
So it's an after fireworks dessert party. So we'll see the fireworks first. Okay.
Let's go.
Apparently we don't have a lot of time, even though our fast pass is in for an hour.
We're in line to get a waffle at Sleepy Hollows.
Sleepy Hollows. Is the park pretty empty tonight? Yeah, it's Saturday night. It's crowded. But get your waffle. Danielle,
Yeah.
do you know why it's called Sleepy Hollows 1790?
No.
Want to take a guess?
Because in 1790, this bear walked into the colony and was like, "Yo, dude, I'm gonna sleep in the hollows. Protect me there."
No, it's because the story of Sleepy Hollow takes place in 1790.
Oh.
You know the story of the Headless Horseman and Ichabod Crane?
Oh.
1790.
They could be classified as bears.
What state?
Boston.
That's not a state. That's a city.
Massachusetts.
No. But it's near Massachusetts.
New Hampshire.
No, but it's near New Hampshire and it has new in its name. New York. There you go. Well, that's why it is 1790. And what are you getting? You're getting the
Mickey waffle with powdered sugar, but scratch the powdered sugar and scratch the whipped cream just with strawberries. That's where it's at.
There you go.
I'm so excited.
And we're not too far from the castle. You're the only person who buys this before going to a dessert party.
I love it. It's so good.
Took us a while, but we got the waffle. Got a seat. Natalie and Allison, thank you for getting a great table for us. Right here. In the shadow of the castle. All lit up for Christmas time. And Danielle, does the waffle live up to... It's good?
So good.
Yes. Well, thank you, Sleepy Hollow, for getting something that Danielle, the pickiest eater in the world, absolutely loves. You should try one with whipped cream and powdered sugar.
No. We don't get too adventurous.
Okay. All right, so we are at Tomorrowland Terrace to try to check in for our dessert party. 8 o'clock, fireworks are at 9, and then the desserts are after the fireworks. So it's like a couple minutes. I believe so. I believe they do give a wristband. Hey Danielle, see that sign right there? It's filming. Can you film that sign in the castle? Because that tells what we're doing.
Hey guys, you're stuck with me for a couple seconds. Look at that. Beautiful sign work right there. I like how they cropped out half the castle. Really gives it a nice cropped look. It says, for reservations, call 407 WDW-DINE or DINE. Or visit any table service podium, guest relations, or your Walt Disney World Resort concierge. Seating is limited for this event. Wow. So exclusive, you know what I mean? Look at my family. Showing the game. Ah.
Hi, O'Neill, party of 4.
Alright, so your card our after fireworks party. So what's going to happen is I'm going to give you specialty wristbands. Right here, and then what's going to happen is I'll have a cast member walk you over to the garden viewing area. You don't have to necessarily stay there right now. It's just to show you where it's at, but you can if you want to. Completely up to you. And then afterwards, you're going to have a cast member have a specialty fireworks dessert party sign, and they'll take you back right afterwards. If you don't happen to see that sign, you're going to come back to this area right over here, and go to the upper point right over there. You're going to recheck it with myself.
Okay.
All right.
Danielle, are you comfortable? All right, Allison.
So do you think they're going to move people from in front of us?
No. I don't know. Maybe. That's a walkway, so I think that's going to be clear so people can walk. Hey, doesn't Tomorrowland look really cool with all the lights? Want to do Monsters Inc. Laugh Lauren next? Or Stitch's Great Escape?
I'm gonna go take a nap.
I want to look at the castle. No, that's not ours.
And they all live happily ever after. Each of us has a dream, a heart's desire. It calls to us. And when we're brave enough to listen and bold enough to pursue, that dream will lead us on a journey to discover who we're meant to be. All we have to do is look inside our hearts and unlock the magic within.
First people in the dessert party. It was crazy getting over here from the fireworks. It was just like a sea of people. They got sparkling apple cider. I took one of everything.
Me too.
And
Well, not really.
you got a marshmallow stick. I didn't get that. They had some special stuff just for Mickey's birthday. I'm gonna have to wait till the line dies down and go up there and film.
Is this
that.
Dole Whip on top of this?
No, I think it's just icing.
No, it's pineapple whipped cream. It's really good. It's like whipped cream and a Dole Whip had a baby.
Okay, I'm gonna go get a double spoon.
Why?
This one touched
Oh,
it.
I didn't get. Hey Danielle, I didn't get a spoon. So you want to get one for me?
Me too.
All right. You know what I think I'll try first? A macaroon. Mmm. It's soft.
They're supposed to be soft.
Really? I thought they were crunchy.
No.
This might be the first macaroon I've ever eaten.
Soft.
I think it's the
There's only
raspberry
two
one.
left.
It's really good. Thank you.
It's also kind of awkward.
Mm.
You can
Danielle,
also use mine.
I just ate a raspberry macaroon and it was really good.
Really? That's the one thing I can't eat, apparently.
Is this your lemonade, Danielle? Did you get a drink?
No.
All right, give it a try, Danielle. You want me to film you?
It's okay. Let me just set up my camera. I'm sorry. Okay,
All right, we can eat it at the same time.
so I'm about to try the pineapple delight.
I'm trying to get mine out. I can't do this with one hand.
I'm scared.
It's really good. It's good, isn't it?
I need this small thing. Oh, that's weird.
Well, you had the s'more that was made by... What's your verdict on the pineapple?
And then she gives them up.
Oh, I'll have to go over there and check it out.
I'm kind of confused. Like, do I like it? Do I not?
I like it. All right, I'm going to try this strawberry delight thing. I'll have to go back and get the names of it. Did you get one of these? How was it? I didn't try it yet. All right, ready? So just eat it in one bite?
I don't know. Oh,
It's good. It tastes like at first you're eating a Lego.
I
Because
got a
it's really hard.
cheeseburger egg roll.
Really?
Yes, and I brought one for Allison.
well,
So it came in, there was some sparkling apple cider. That was the s'mores station. Nope, sorry. I had Oreo Mickey treats. This is Mickey's celebration cake, special for the 90th birthday. We had a strawberry tart. Mickey's Oreo brownie cheesecake. That was really rich. Ooh. Dark chocolate dipped strawberries. Pineapple delight. And then here were the assorted macaroons. We had pistachio, lemon, raspberry, vanilla, coffee, and chocolate.
I know
Yeah.
you're vlogging right now, but over there is a make your own cupcake station.
Make your own cupcake. We had some fruit, some cheese. Here are the drinks. We had lemonade, jungle juice, strawberry, milk. Over here you had some more of the same. And then over here, out of this world decorating station. Decorate your own cupcakes. Ooh, cherries, chocolate curls, sprinkles, like star sprinkles, ice cream, brownies, Rice Krispie treats, chocolate chips, sugar cookies. Oh man, this looks good. And then over here, you've got coffee and a whole bunch of chocolates, hot water, regular water with little pieces of Mickey fruit. There you go, you can see the cheese, pineapple delights, happily ever after. I don't even know.
You know what's great about this dessert party? There's like hardly anybody here. Look how empty it is.
The other parties we have, it's been like you can't even get up to the stuff because it's so crowded. This, like, people are like asking you for it. And there's the s'mores maker. How is the s'mores?
They were good.
What's your favorite, Ben, so far? Danielle, what's your favorite, Ben? The ice cream?
I like the ice cream the best taste-wise, but I like decorating my own cupcake.
I like the pineapple.
Hold on. No, I also like the strawberries.
And I didn't think I filmed up there. They had the hot dog rolls and some kind of
You mean the egg roll?
egg rolls, hot dog,
Cheeseburger egg rolls?
cheeseburger egg rolls. Yes, that is what I meant. Gracias. Allison got all embarrassed because Danielle and I are bilingual, and we were using our linguistic skills and speaking.
I'm just saying random things that I knew in Spanish.
Danielle, this song is for my diet when I'm here. Let it go. I saw that. I saw that.
I let it go.
Let it go. Napkins never bothered me.
Bother me anyway.
We're missing the stage show. It's going on somewhere over there. We could probably go walk over there and see it.
Alright, I need to know which one of these is vanilla or which one is pistachio.
Pistachio's green.
This is lemon, this is chocolate.
That one's
Is
lemon.
vanilla?
No, the yellow would be lemon, vanilla. The green ones are pistachio.
There were no green.
There were before some green ones up there. All right, Danielle, I'm going in for the chocolate chip cookie. Ready? It's good.
What's your review?
It's cookie. It's just a cookie. It's good,
So
but
overall, I give the delicious chocolate chip.
I bet you if I put some ice cream on it,
a
it'd be
10
good.
out of
You can make a chocolate chip cookie sandwich.
Yeah, that'd be good.
Honeydew melons.
Or the cupcake sandwich.
You better copyright that.
Looking less and less appetizing as it goes on. You should see this side. It looks like the Grand Canyon.
I don't think I ever ate a macaroon before. I thought they were crunchy. I didn't know they were soft.
Yeah, I want some of the inside.
The raspberry one was good. That's the one I had. Yeah. Kill the beast. Was that just today that we were watching that? That seems like a long time ago. How'd you like the cider? Some of those were my glasses. Yeah.
I think I drink a lot.
Oh, really? All right, what would you give these desserts? Mickey Oreo treat?
Didn't try.
It was good, but it was just an Oreo cookie.
Okay.
But the Mickey's cute. Mickey birthday cake,
Didn't try.
90th celebration. This might not be here very often, but that was good. But it's just cake.
Appetizer.
Strawberry tart.
Is.
It was like eating a Lego brick. Mickey birthday Oreo brownie cheesecake.
Allison said it was
Disgusting.
terrible.
Fireworks. Woo! Alright. We were at the absolute worst place to see fireworks, but okay. Allison said that was bad. I wasn't a fan. This was my favorite. I think I ate 5 of those.
Really? I
The
didn't
pineapple
like them very
delight.
much.
Oh, so good. Macaroons, I only ate the raspberry, but that was good. Fruit? No. These are the cheeseburger rolls. Crackers. Did you eat any cheese?
No.
Monterey? Yeah. This is all the same. How about the drinks? Did you try some milk?
I tried the milk and I tried the lemonade.
Did you like the
I give them
lemonade?
10 out of 10. They taste
The lemonade's
like
really
they're
good.
supposed to.
I'll tell you what though, because the brand name, Ottawalla, that was freaking kids out. Kids, I heard some kids like, Mommy, what's Ottawalla? What is that?
I asked
Yeah,
you
yeah. Oh, that's right.
that.
The hidden Mickey in the water.
What's the napkin?
Coffees and teas, didn't have any. This stuff I didn't try. Ooey gooey toffee cake. That looks good. But you want to grab a plate. That's where you get the ice cream, brownie, sugar cookie. Are you gonna decorate a vanilla or a chocolate? You gonna do a chocolate? You want to do two? No. Okay. Will you make yours look as beautiful as that one?
I think hers is gonna be even prettier.
Oh yeah. She's got a heavy hand with the icing though.
That's the best.
Yeah. Are you gonna make like a Mickey Mouse on it, or are you making a pattern?
Trying to.
This is like Cupcake Wars. 5 minutes, contestants. Actually, that looks pretty, Danielle. That's like a flower.
You can decorate a sugar cookie too.
Oh yeah.
Get a picture of the sign.
I could film that for the out of this world decorating station. I even like the sprinkles. You see how they're like stars and all that, and Mickey's.
Because you know we never.
All right, so those are the Mickey sprinkles, right?
Because the parade is like parade was by far. We watched this. We went to a century. All right, so right used to be
Wow, you're being really precise on this.
Sorry, I'm not giving very much commentary.
Beautiful, Danielle. Alright. That is a beautiful, out of this world cupcake.
I quite enjoyed that.
And Danielle, you also did a cookie?
Yeah, I tried to do Galaxy.
Oh, came out nice. That's good for Tomorrowland. I love your ears. They're awesome. This is the coolest dessert party. We can just like film all this stuff.
Yeah. Are cherries supposed to have holes in them?
Yeah, because they take the seeds out, I think. The pits and stuff, yeah.
That made me very happy.
I'm still talking to her friend over there.
Yeah.
Allison, what did you think of the dessert party?
They took away my cookie.
What did you think of the dessert party? Just tell me, what did you think of the dessert? And so Stephanie on
I
Mouse
thought it was
Junkies.
very nice. Yes.
We have to check out her
I like
YouTube.
the fact that it had watermelon. The honeydew melon was amazing, and cheese and crackers. Because for people like myself who like something sweet and then something savory or salty, I do like the cheeseburger egg roll that I could try it and not have to pay for it because it had onions in it, which are not my preference, but I could see.
How about the sparkling apple cider?
The sparkling apple cider was my absolute favorite, and I might even get another glass on the way out.
Fill up our thermos
I mean,
next time.
seriously.
Yeah.
Well, there's not a lot in that little glass,
Yeah.
but the fact that
Go.
it's a pretty glass makes me happy.
My daughter said the s'mores were her favorite of everything, so thank you. Yeah. Yeah, they're so cool.
Do you want me to make you one the way she can?
And so that like melts the chocolate a little bit as it does that. Oh, cool. Yeah.
And stick it better to the marshmallow.
Oh, cool. Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Oh, have a nice evening. Merry Christmas. Yeah.
That was cool.
Yeah. See, it gets nice and hot to melt the chocolate. Hey, Danielle, I'm stuffed. I feel like I'm going to explode. I ate so many pineapple things. But we are at the end of the happily ever after dessert party. So what would you give it all?
It was so much fun. I loved the decorating station. That was really fun. Even if like you don't eat the desserts, you can still decorate something. And it was just so much fun. So I give it 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? I'm going to turn it on this way. Let's go. I show you that here. So I would highly recommend this. It was great. The fireworks, the desserts, everything. So Danielle, what do you say?
That's a wrap.
See you next time.
Bye.